Hello guys and welcome back to Brent Bank TV, and this is the session end of session video for the 21st of May, as you can see by the date at the bottom here. Just enlarge the screen. Now, to be honest with you, I've had a really crappy day so far. I mean, it's not been the worst because at the end of the day my account isn't blown on it, nothing like that, so we can only thank God for that. But at the end of the day, it wasn't a great kind of start for me. I'll be honest. It wasn't a great start. So I basically got caught in two scalps in the 15-minute on a 5-minute chart. See this leg here. So I caught this leg here. It got to this bit here. This is the same trade. It got to this bit here, and I kind of thought, you know what? It probably will push down to retest these lows, and it never did that. I never got that, and this is in fact what I got in the end. A retest of that, and I had to close two or three positions, scalp positions, and a loss. And I'll be honest with you, I did some real schoolboy errors today. To be honest with you, not great start at all. But anyway, um, saying that we're still in the longer term for our cipher pattern trade that we were in from a couple of days ago. I don't know if this is going to go all the way down. It's being a little bit sporadic at the moment. To be honest with you, I'm still expecting a. I mean, the lower move is still in play, but I don't know how much of that, how if the move is going to happen now is beyond me, to be honest with you, because to the way I look at it, right, or the way I've been looking at it is this is a neckline sorry, this is a double top and a potential neckline here for if you want to take this as a double headed head and shoulders, and you put this as a neckline, and we got a break below that and a retest. But we haven't really seen a push lower, to be honest with you. It kind of hasn't really gone completely to plan. But who knows? Maybe we'll get lucky. Maybe we'll get lucky. But I'm gonna try. It depends how it reacts on this level. I'm gonna probably have to close this trade out in a minute, um, or at some point. If it breaks this high, I'm gonna have to close this long-term trade for now and maybe re-enter if it gives me an opportunity to because I don't want to really give back a lot of the I've given quite a lot back since yesterday because I thought it was going to break these lows and it never did, and we've just meandered on top of here today. And if you see the distance between the yesterday's close session is this candle here, and then look at where it is today. So not really big difference. It's kind of just been in consolidation for the last day or two. So yeah, we'll see how that pans out. I'm still in this scalp currently, or basically break even. Ideally want this to kind of get to my TP, but that kind of looks like a myth at the moment. But who knows? Who knows? That's how that's all gonna play out. We'll just have to wait and see. Unfortunately, hopefully we can get that meandering down, and I can kind of, man, I might have to close this if it goes back to retest these lows, because the momentum here is just ridiculous. There's barely any momentum in any of this stuff that's going on at the moment. So not too much of an update really. The fact that I took a quite three or four three scalps in here, two losers, and one pretty much break even. I had some little tiny profit. But I kind of I shot myself in the foot with those two scalps because I was waiting for a 618 completion, right? If I was looking at this, I'll just show you real quick. What I was looking at is a 20. If you look at this as a double top, right? If I show you on the hourly, it'll probably be better. Now on the hourly, this to me classifies as a double top. We got double top, a break and close below structure, right? And then we get the retest of a 2618 trade, but this 2618 isn't working out so far. The 2618 comes around here. This 200 200 EMA. That's where the 2618 comes in at, and we kind of fell through a little bit, but there was no follow through. We needed a break and close below this low here, and that just hasn't happened. And to me, oh man, just doesn't look like we're gonna get that. I mean, I really don't want it breaking any of these highs because it's not gonna be great. It's not gonna be great at all if it does. I'll be honest with you. So yeah, do you know what? I'm gonna move my stops for the 4 hour trade, right? I'm gonna move my stops to this new low here. That's where I'm gonna put it. So at least I make something out of this trade, because the worst thing would be to not make anything out of it and have sat in this trade for 2 days. So that's what I'll do. I'm gonna move the stop for the 4 hour, right? So I'll move the stop for the 4 hour to these new lows here, and hopefully we can kind of maintain some integrity in what we've done so far with this trade. So yeah, that's what I'll be doing just in a second or so once I've ended the video. But for now, everything still seems pretty much the same. Not a lot has changed in the last sort of 24 hours. I did a video earlier. So yeah, we'll review on the AM session videos that I release. So for now, we can only hope that this trade kind of works out in our favor. All right. So thank you for joining me, and bye for now.